Bonjour, bonjour. Today we'll learn about the house, la maison, and more specifically about the vocabulary associated with different rooms in the house. So this video is about improving your vocabulary, but if you're struggling with verbs and verb tenses, make sure to download our free guide in the description below, where I give you the most common regular and irregular verbs, as well as tell you when you should learn each tense. So this guide is completely free, and make sure to grab yours in the description below. But now let's jump into the vocabulary about the house and different rooms in your house. And the first thing is, the house in French is la maison. La maison. Now your house has different rooms, and each of those rooms in your house is called une pièce. Une pièce is a room. You might also hear the term chambre for a room, but if you're talking about all the different rooms in a house, including the bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, and everything, then we usually use the word pièce. But it's good to know that the term chambre also refers to your room. But keep in mind that this term, chambre, is often used to denote the bedroom specifically. So if someone says ma chambre, they mean their bedroom, so my bedroom. The full term for the bedroom is la chambre à coucher. But again, you can use the term ma chambre, my room or my bedroom. So la chambre could be used for a room or a bedroom. But usually, as I said before, keep une pièce dans la maison, as a room in the house, and ma chambre ou ta chambre as my room or my bedroom or your bedroom. La cuisine is the kitchen. La cuisine. The living room is le salon. Le salon. The dining room is la salle à manger. La salle à manger. Actually, the term salle means a room, and manger means to eat. So la salle à manger is the room to eat or the dining room. Similarly, la salle de bain is the bathroom. So bain, prendre un bain, is to take a bath. So la salle de bain is the room of bath or the bathroom. So again, the bathroom, la salle de bain. The washroom is les toilettes. Les toilettes. And the reason that we have different terms for the washroom and the bathroom, where you might be thinking that it would be a single term, is that sometimes they are not in the same room. So a different room for the shower or the bathtub, and another room for just the toilet or the toilet and the sink. So la salle de bain is the bathroom, and les toilettes are the toilet or the washroom. The office is le bureau. Le bureau. So the term le bureau could be used for both an office as a room in your house that you use as your office, or if you have to go to your office, which is in a different building, that's also called le bureau. And your office desk is also called un bureau. So you would have un bureau dans votre bureau. So a desk in your office. Now onto a little bit more complicated terms that are not as important as the other ones. Le grenier is the attic. So I put an arrow showing the top of the house completely. Well, not every house has an attic. If yours does, it's called le grenier. Le grenier. And if we talk about the complete top part of the house, we have obviously to talk about the basement. And the basement is le sous-sol. Le sous-sol. And le sol is actually the floor, and sous is below. So le sous-sol is below the floor, aka the basement. If you like this video and got value out of it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, as well as hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from us. If you haven't already, make sure to grab your free guide to verbs and verb tenses in the description below. As a thank you for staying until the end, here is a bonus for you. While this is not a room per se, the stairs are les escaliers. Les escaliers. That's it for today. Again, thank you so much for staying until the end. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next Sunday. Take care.